Let us make this program. Good evening. I have told that very first you should set and reset 9 flags. So how to set and reset 9 flags? You need to take I0 pulse and a flag M0. Now from M0 you need to set. You remember, no, this example? M9. Then again we have the same thing. Let me copy paste. Okay, so we have to take M9, then we have to take M8, then M7, M6, M5, four, three, two, one. Okay. So here you see, very first M9, then M8, then M7, M6, M5, M4, M3, M2, and M1. In M1, we won't have this. We won't have. So M1 will get set. When M1 gets set, then M2, then M3. M4, M5, M6, M7, M8. Okay, M8. So like this, you have to get all these flag sets. See, M9, you see, no, it is not M9, M3, M3. Okay, there is no 9 here. There is no 9. 6, M7, M8, M9. I hope you understand. M1 to M9 we have set. Now we need to reset, correct? Now we need to reset M9 to M8, M9 to M1 actually. So here, let us take. Now for reset, we have to take I1, correct? So when I1 gets high, take a pulse, and from this you take one flag. M9 we have used, let us take M10. M10. Okay, so when M10 gets high, M10, and we have some NC here, we'll have some flag and reset. In reset, it would be M1, correct? In reset, it would be M1, and like that it will go. So let me copy paste again. Control C, V. So now we will reset to, oh, M1 I have not right there. So M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, M8, M9. Okay. So like this, you have to reset the things. So when you press I1 first time, M1 will get reset, then M2 will get reset, M3, M4, M5, 6, 7, 8, M9. And here there is nothing. Directly M9 will get reset. After that, when M9 get reset, then M8, then 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That is it. So this thing you have to do first, initially. M1 to M9 set and reset. After that, you have to take your outputs. So how can you take that? I shall first share this. Then I shall write another ladders. Let me send it to the group. It is sent. Done. And I want that one. This thing. I want this thing. Okay, I shall take that from there. Then from here, I take that. This is the program. This one. Control C. There we do. Control A, Control V. Control Z. Control A, delete, and Control V. See this. Here, we have to follow this. Okay. Now it is easy because we have generated M1, M2, M3, M4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, according to this, we have to get the output on. I shall tell you the both methods. One is using coil and another using move instruction. First, let us make this using coil. If you have to make it using coil, then very first you go to Q0. So we go to Q0. We take a ladder for Q0. Okay, we have taken Q0 ladder. Okay, now Q0, you see, where does it get on? It gets on from M1. See this, everyone. So M1 gets high, this Q0 gets high, correct? Now you see consecutive, consecutive, consecutive. So these all are consecutive. So you can say once Q0 is on, is on, is on, is on. So consecutive you leave, consecutive you leave. Now you see when does it get off? It gets off from M5. So from M5 you break it. M5. Okay, M5 break it. Again you check consecutive, M6 is consecutive, so leave this. Now when does it get on again? M7, correct? M7. So from M7 you take one connection from outside M7. Okay. Now these three are consecutive, leave it. So Q0 is done. Now Q0 is done. Now you go for Q1. So take a coil for Q1. For Q1 you see, when does it get on from M1? Let us take M1. I hope you understand. From M1 it gets high. It gets high, Q1. Then immediately from M2 it gets off from M2. So M2 NC will come. See, NC will come in series. NO will come in parallel. So M2 will switch off this. Now you see, again it gets on from M3. So M3 will come in parallel. So NO will come in parallel. NC will come in series. But you see, I have taken after M2, not before M2, after M2. So it is M3. So M3 consecutive, consecutive, consecutive. That is done. Q1 is also done. Now, actually, I had to keep some space here. Okay, we'll leave space here. Now we go for Q2. Q2, you see, Q2. It is again easy. Q2. Now Q2, you see, Q2. It is off initially, so don't start from off. No need to take NC. Start from on only. So it is on from M2 here, you see. So let us take M2. M2. Start from NO. NC you leave. Initial NC you can leave. So it starts from M2. Now check, check, check consecutive. Now from M4 it is off. So we take M4 and C. M4 and C. Again you check, where is it? M4 and C is finished. Now M5 and O. So I take here M5 and O. Shivamurti. M5 M5. M5 is on, right? Now M5 consecutive leave M7. M7 is off. So M7 you put here. Now M8 it will get on. So M8 will come from outside. M8 will come from outside. So it is M8. Q2 is done. Q2 is done. Consecutive, leave. Q3. Now let us take Q3. Q3. Q3 again starts from M2. So started from M2. Start from M2. M2. It gets off immediately. So from M3 it is off. M3. Okay. M3. Now it is off, off, off. On again from M6. On again from M6. M6. Just a minute. M6. Let me adjust here. Yes, M6. Now it gets off from 7. So I take here M7. M7. Okay, no. Again on from M8. It's too long. It is on from M8. M8. Okay, M8. And gates on from M9. It has many NO and C, you see. M9. Done. Q3 is done. Now let us go for Q4. It starts, you see, Q4. Q4 starts from M4. So Q4 starts from M4. So let us take it here. M4. Done. Now consecutive, here it is off from M7. So from M7 we switch off. M7 switch off. M8 switch on. M8 switch on. So it is M8. Now we go for M8 switch off. No, here. Where? Here. What have I done? M7 off and M8 on actually. M8 on. Yes, right. And M8 is M9 is consecutive. Leave it. Now we go for 5. Q5. Q5 gets on from M2. So start from M2 now. Okay, start from M2. Start from M2. Where is it? And stop from M4. Stop from M4. M4. Then start from M5. M5. Okay. Then it is consecutive. So it is done. Now Q6. Q6 also starts from M2. Okay, start from M2, then consecutive and get off from M7, M7, and on again from M8, M8. Done. Text me. Is it clear? Text me, please. Is it clear? Everyone, do you understand how we made this logic? Is it clear? Text me, please. Everyone, we have 11 participants. Is it clear? Yes, move instruction, we will make program after this. The same program we will use, we will make using move after this. First, I have told you that it can be made using coil like this. Now, after this, I shall tell you how to make using move instruction. Okay, okay, Sivamurthy ji. Okay, very good. One thing is left here. As you do login run, initially 0 should be displayed, correct? As you do login run, 0 should be displayed. Means as you do login run, all these segments should get on initially, except this Q6, correct? Except Q6, all outputs should get on initially. But when you press first time I0, that 0 should be gone. That 0 should be gone. So when you press first time, which signal comes? M1. So when M1 comes, then 0 should go. Before M1, 0 should be displayed. So what I do, except Q6, in all ladders for 0 display, I take a parallel connection NC and I give it to this output. So as we do login run, directly supply will reach to Q0, correct? Directly, this supply will reach to Q0. So Q0 will get on. And this signal should stop when you press I0 first time. So when you press I0 first time, M1 will come and M1 NC will break this. So 0 will be gone. So this NC of M1 should be placed in all ladders except Q6. This is for 0 display. Be very clear. This I put in parallel is for 0 display. NC of M1 in all ladders except first ladder. Here, okay, here I take. So NC of M1 to Q3. This is for 0 display. Here also NC of M1 NC of M1. So you can see here, you can see I have taken all red connection, you see. NC of M1 in all ladders except Q6, except Q6. So initially as we log in and run, supply will reach to these outputs directly. So supply will reach to all these segments output except Q6. Q6 won't be on. So 0 will be displayed initially. And when you press I0 first time, M1 will come. So M1 NC will break this path. So 0 path will be broken. Other things will come in function. So this is the program using NONC coil. NONC coil. I hope you understand how we made this. Now we shall make the same program using move instruction. Using move instruction. This program I have sent you already in group. You can note down when session will expire. You can note down. Till then, I don't know how long it has been left. So till then, let us make a program using move. So I shall remove this one. For move instruction, it is very simple. Now from, and these all we are taking after that set reset. Okay. So first you make set program, then reset program, and after that you have to make all these ladders for output. So we make here from M1. In between, the session will expire. I hope, don't worry. Let us see how many ladders we can make. So we have to take here move. Okay. We have to take move block and here some value, and here it will be moved to percentage Q W 0. Let us take QB, because why to take word instruction? Let us take byte instruction QB 0. And let me copy this. Control C, Control V. Let us put it here. Control V here. Control V. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the sixth one. Done. So this is your sixth ladder. Q0. So first, what have you to move? It is value 3. So 3 you move. Then what have you to move? It is 109. 109. But it will move from M2. Okay, from M2. So it should be M2 here. Then from M3, you have to move 103. 103. What am I doing? 103. It is easy, no? It is very easy. Then from M4, we have to move 83. 83. Then from M5, we have to move 118. 118. That is it. Then from M6, oh, we have to take 9, no? We have to take 9. We have to take 9. So from M6, we have to move 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. Again, let us take this, no problem. So it is 7, 8, and 9. Done? 9. So here we shall move from M7. From M7, we shall move 1, 2, 6, 3, 5. So 3, 5, let us move 3 and 5. Then from M8, move 1, 2, 7. From M9, move 119. And this program is also ready. So these ladders will come after set reset ladder, after set reset ladder. Okay. So this is the program. This also I shall send you in the group. Fine. I want you people to note down both examples. First, you note down that set reset in your notebook. Then you note down that NONC coil program. After that, you note down this move instruction program. I want everyone to note this down now only and send the photo in group, because we will have a 9-minute break when session will expire. So let me send it first.